Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to safely withdraw money from Kraken to your bank account using a web browser fully updated for 2025. Start by heading to kraken.com and log into your account. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for extra protection. Once you're in, click on Portfolio from the sidebar. This is where you'll see all your balances. Now, select the Withdraw tab. You'll see a list of supported currencies and cryptos. Choose the one you want to withdraw, for example, USD, Euro, or even Bitcoin. Next, you'll need to enter your bank account details. After filling that out, click Continue. Once your bank is linked, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw, then tap Review Withdrawal. Now, under withdrawal method, the only available option for some users is Etana custody. So if that's what shows up, go ahead and proceed with it. If you're withdrawing Bitcoin, you can simply paste your wallet address or scan a QR code directly. Before you hit that final button, make sure to double check all the information. When everything looks good, click Confirm. Kraken will handle the rest and your withdrawal usually lands in your bank within 1 to 3 business days depending on your region and method.